Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide blue tick marks on WhatsApp. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Experiencing the discomfort of having read WhatsApp messages without responding can be quite awkward. If you wish to sidestep the situation, you might want to explore the option of avoiding the blue ticks on WhatsApp. So in this video, I will show you how to hide blue ticks on WhatsApp. How to do it is so simple. So first, I will show you first that in here, I have two WhatsApp, this and also this one. I will try to send message from this to this app and see if the blue tick is still active. We can still see the blue tick. Now let's read this message. And you can see, we can still see the blue ticks in here. Now we want to hide it. I want to hide it. So you can just open on the WhatsApp that you want to hide the blue ticks from. You can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option chats. You can just tap on that. I'm sorry. You can go to privacy. There is an option read receipts. You can just hide the blue ticks marks by disable this feature by tap on the toggle in here. Now let's try to send message again. Like this. Hide blue tick. Now let's read the message. You can see we have read the message. And as you can see in here, the blue ticks won't appear on your WhatsApp. It means we have disabled the blue ticks on your WhatsApp. It's a simple, right? So that is how to hide blue ticks on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.